Hi friends, welcome back to the SKCAD solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in CREO software. You can see the dimension. The base dimension is 145, 72 and height is 25 mm. Friends, I am requesting to all, please do subscribe my channel and support me. Here select MMNS part solid. Select plane, sketch, select center rectangle, 145, 72, height is 25 mm. This is 145, 72 mm. Finish. Select extrude up to 25 mm. Click OK. Next, here one flange is there, that is 36 mm, height is 90 from the bottom. Select this surface, sketch, select corner rectangle, give the dimension 36 mm. Finish sketch. Select extrude up to 90 minus 25 mm. Click OK. Then you can see here one cutout is there, that dimension is from the bottom 30, from the top 24 or 30. Select this surface, sketch, select one circle, select line, give the dimension 30, from here to here 24, diameter 60, select center line, select these three lines, select mirror, from here to here dimension 48 mm. Select delete segment, finish sketch, extrude, reverse the direction, 12 mm depth. Click OK. So one more circle on the same point, diameter 24 mm. Select this surface, sketch, select circle, diameter 24. Click OK. Select extrude remove material, reverse the direction, here give through hole, click OK. Next, one more slot cutout back side, that dimension is 24 and 24, length is 50, diameter 24 mm. Select this surface, sketch, select circle, diameter 24, select line, select delete segment, give the dimension, this is 50 mm, from here to here, .24, okay. Select this line, this is also 24, already 24 is there. Finish sketch, select extrude, reverse the direction, select here through hole, click OK. And also bottom one more cutout, that is 72 mm length, 6 mm depth, width is 50 mm. Select this surface, sketch, select here rectangle, give the dimension 6 mm, (72). Finish sketch, select extrude, remove material, reverse the direction, here give through hole, not through hole, 50 mm, click OK. And also we can change this machining portion colors, select this and this, these are all the machining surfaces. View, select view, appearances, we can give some yellow color, all the machining. Save the part. So that's it from today's session. If you like this session, please do subscribe my channel and support me. And also we can assign some color to entire body here. Okay, thanks for watching this video.